Congratulations on your LUMILOOP device. This video will guide you to ensure its reliable operation. Glass fiber is a rigid but delicate material. After all, it is actual glass. To avoid cracking, do not kink it. Don't pull it. Keep the bending diameter greater than 8 centimeters. Generally, it is recommended to keep your cables connected whenever possible. When you connect your fiber cables, it is crucially important to inspect them first for contaminations. LUMILOOP's devices are laser-powered. Extremely high energy is concentrated at the connectors. If contaminated, particles will absorb that energy, heat up, and eventually melt the glass fiber core. This damage is permanent. But don't worry. Contamination can be removed. Cleaning is quick and easy. We have compiled 10 years of glass fiber experience into the LUMILOOP Fiber Connector Cleaning Kit to take care of any of your fiber equipment. Just follow these short steps before every use and you are all set. First, unclip the duplex connectors. For the E2000 connectors, apply the red locking cap. Grab your optical microscope and plug in your connector. Press the lighting button and look through the microscope. Use the focus wheel to get a sharp image and inspect your connector for contaminations. If your E2000 connector is clean, you can unplug it and carefully remove the locking cap. Then put the black clip back on. Now connect red to red and black to black and start operating your laser-powered system. If the FC and ST connectors are clean, align the notch and tighten it. Then connect red to red and black to black and run the laser supply. If you discover contaminations on any connector, proceed to clean them up. Conventional workplaces are not sterile. Contaminations are therefore inevitable. As a result, a detailed IEC fiber cleaning standard has been established. For example, dust, skin particles, or grease are common to accumulate over time. Contaminated connectors can taint clean ones, so always keep all connectors clean. In order to clean, you only need a lint-free wipe and cleaning fluid. Put a drop on the wipe in a small spot. Now clean in one direction from wet to dry. Use each spot on the wipe only once. Afterwards, inspect your connector through the microscope again. If it is clean, you can now connect it and start working. If you can still see contaminations, repeat the cleaning procedure and re-inspect the connector until you have fully cleaned it. If you cannot clean the connector, replace the cable or get it repaired. For the E2000, replace the whole sacrificial cable kit with the spare kit that is included in your delivery. Likewise, you can replace an FC-ST extension cable with its spare part. Contaminated connectors right at the device or computer interface need to be shipped to LUMILOOP or an authorized service center for fast repair. LUMILOOP, we focus on lasers to make you shine.